Okay, good morning. Please try to solve the previous problem. Yesterday's problem you try to solve because
Hello. Answers were wrong. Whatever the answers they have given, they are wrong. Okay. Have you completed this numerical 3.1.17? Roll number 51, Viraj Kodi.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed 3.1.17 question number?
Hello.
3.1
Yes, sir. But sir, answer.
answers are wrong. Whatever the booklet answers and your answers should they are not going to match. Because if you
Yes, not seems.
now applied a 2000 Newton force and they are saying that 200 Newton force is applied on the memory, it is not possible. Okay. So.
Okay, sir.
Now those who have not completed, please complete it. Complete this question. If anyone is having any
FPBD कशी येते?
कशाचे? Hello.
Point C.
Point C ची FPBD का?
हाँ.
एक मिनिट. का point C ची
C नाही हे D ची.
D ची FPBD वर किती आहे?
D ची.
सोपं आहे की ते काढून दाखव दादेव भाई.
काढून दाखवण्यात ते आहे त्या डायग्रामवर सांगण्याची मी करतो का?
ओके ओके एक मिनिट दाखवतो. Only 37 students joined. No problem. Now see here. Point D. If I want to draw the point D FPBD, I will draw here. Point D is here. 2000 Newton force is applied here. Now when you have considered the joint C, you know this. It is in tensile or compressive. आपको ये पता चलेगा. बाद में इसका फोर्स हमको पता नहीं होगा, इसका फोर्स हमको पता नहीं होगा. So it will be FAD. This is FB. Sorry, FD. इसका फोर्स B लेने के बाद आपको पता होगा. So tensile और compressive I don't know. So FBD. And इसका भी फोर्स आपको शायद पता होगा. It is FCD. ये टेंसाइल और कंप्रेसिव है क्या पता नहीं है मेरे को, लेकिन ये तीनों फोर्स तो पक्का पता है कि मेरे को ये दो फोर्स मेरे को पक्का पता है कि दे आर नॉट नोइंग टू अस, लेकिन ये तो मेरे को पता है दिस इज अ 2000 एंड दिस एंगल आल्सो यू नो दैट इट इज अ 45 डिग्री. सो दिस इज अ 45 डिग्री. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will take a next problem. One problem we will solve today of this, and afterwards we will go to the another numerical, another method we will take, that is method of section. Okay, we will take problem number 3.1.13. Try to solve this problem also. 3.1.13, page number 109. 3.1.13. 109. Okay, draw the diagram. Okay, are you solving? Okay, now we'll start to this lecture. 57 students joined now for this session. Now, already I have mentioned that you solve this problem. Page number already I have mentioned it is 109, and the question number 3.1.13. So everyone should require to solve this problem. This will be the last problem I am going to take on this method of joint. If in any question is there, let me ask now. Okay, I will draw this diagram. You might have required to draw the FBD of this. Okay, so 100 kilonewton, 100 kilonewton for you. This is a 5, this is a 5. So this angle will be a 45 degree. You check it. Tan theta is equal to 5 divided by 5. It is a 45 degree. Now we will find out this angle. Now who is going to tell this angle? If I will consider this triangle, complete triangle, what will be this angle?
50.
No? You can check it. This is a 5. And if I'll consider this complete triangle, just I'm saying this name A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C, A. 1 minute. E and F. So if I'll consider A, B, C, D, E, then definitely A, B, C, D I am saying. So this angle, if I will consider ADE triangle, ADE triangle. So this is a 5 and this is a 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So 5 divided by 10, what will be this? Tan theta 5 divided by 10. How much it is?
26.
26. Here, if I will consider this
26
angle,
degree.
5 divided by this 10, so 26 degree. So write it down, this is a 26 degree. Okay. Now, still I don't know the angle of this member. इस member का मेरे को angle पता नहीं है. So how to find out this angle? How to find out this angle? I am asking this angle. Who is going to tell? Now, before solving, we require to find out the angles. So remember this angle, I know this is a 5 centimeter, but I don't know this length. So I will find out this length first. इसकी लेंथ मैं पहले फाइंड आउट करूंगा. दिस इज अ 5. एंगल आपको पता चल गया, ये लेंथ आपको पता चल गई, तो आप ये डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं? BC की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करो. Which is the formula? Tan theta is equal to tan 26 is equal to tan 26 is equal to BC divided by 5. So we'll get BC value here. Find out
2.4.
1 point.
2.4.
Okay. 2.4. Okay, 2.4. Now, once you know this distance 2.4, can you find out this angle? So again, this is tan theta is equal to 2.4 divided by 5. So how much it is? How much? 20?
25.
25.6.
Okay, 25. I'll just take a 25. So this is the angle is a 25. Okay. So now I found out angle of each member. You can check it 25, 26, and 45 degree. Now I will draw the FBD of. I will give the names for this. Now FBD, before FBD, I am required to find out the reaction RE, RFV, RFV, and this is RH, RFH, RFH, horizontal and vertical. Now we will find out the reaction first. So we'll take a moment at point E. So summation of M at point F, sorry, E not F is equal to 0. RE into 5, RE into 5, clockwise movement. This is going to produce anti-clockwise movement. 100 into 5 plus 5. This total distance you can check it. 10. And it is going to produce anti-clockwise. So minus 100 into 10. And this 100 again you can check it. This is also minus 100 into 15. So you will get a value of RE. Find out this value of RE. Okay. Now what is the value of RE?
$500.
500. Okay. This is plus 500, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a 500. Now similar way we will do summation of f of x is equal to 0. So only one horizontal force is there, that is RFH. So you are going to get a direct value of RFH is equal to 0. You are going to get a direct value of RFH, it is a 0. So this value is equal to 0. Now RFV, you do summation of f of y is equal to 0. How many vertical forces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So RFV plus 500 minus 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Minus 100 minus 100. So you are going to get RFV value you are going to get 500 minus 200. So it is 300. And if I will transmit there, it is minus 300. Correct? RFV is minus 300. RE is a 500. Any doubt related to this? Any question? Any question, any doubt?
सर ते आता लिहिलेलं अजून एकदा एक्सप्लेन करावं.
कुठलं रे? कुठलं?
ह्या बाजूला इक्वेशन लिहिलेलं
समेशन ऑफ एफ ऑफ
हे आरवीच.
आरपी हेच म्हणतो ना, समेशन ऑफ एफ
नाही
ऑफ
ते सर्व त्या बाजूला म्हणतो मी. नाही ते सर्व.
सगळंच. हॅलो,
हा
बरं मुवमेंटचं तर तुला माहितच आहे.
हो सर.
इफ आय विल टेक द मुवमेंट
हा
ऑफ
मोमेंटचं माहिती.
हा हे कळाल तुला. RE into perpendicular
हो
distance
ते
5,
कळलं.
100 into perpendicular distance 10, this 100 perpendicular distance 15, you will get value of RE 500. Now summation of f of x is equal to 0 if you do, only one force is now there, that is RFH value. Only one force is there. So directly you are going to get a value of RFH, that is 0. Now if I will do summation of f of y is equal to 0. How many forces? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So RFV 500, RE 100 minus 100 minus, because they are moving in downward direction. Upward forces we are considering positive, downward forces we are considering negative. So 500 minus 200, this is a 300. And if I transmitted at the one side of equal sign, that is a minus. It is a negative sign, so minus 300. Clear? Now draw the FBD of any joint.
सर RE 100 येते ना तिथं 500 डिवाइड बाय 5 करायचं राहिले.
राहिलंय काय?
हा 100 येते.
होय हो, बरोबर आहे का?
नाही सर 500च आहे.
1000 अधिक 1500 भागिले 5 येते ना, बरोबर आहे त्यांचं. RE 500 येत आहे.
ओके.
ओके. नाव ड्रॉ द FBD ऑफ एनी जॉइंट. कुठल्याही एका जॉइंटची FBD ड्रॉ करा. चाइल प्रेफरेबली यूज F पॉइंट. F पॉइंटची FBD मी ड्रॉ करतो. Joint F minus 300. I don't know the force in this member, that is EF, REF, and I don't know the force of this member, that is RDF. Sorry, F, we have to say EF, and EF, DF, and that is 45 degree. So try to solve this problem. F ची FBD काढली, very simple problem. Here we can't use the movement equation. We have required to use directly the equation summation of f of x is equal to 0. So I'll write here summation of f of x is equal to 0 minus f EF minus f DF cos 45 is equal to 0. Summation of f of y is equal to 0. F DF sin 45 minus 300 is equal to 0. So you will get value of F DF here. Put this value here and find out F EF. Find out the value of F EF and F DF. What is the value of EF DF?
428.
428. Okay.
Hello.
आणि EF
424 येते.
424 येते सर.
424 आहे.
okay 424. And what is the value of EF?
299.
Minus 299.
Minus. Minus. 424 is it a positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, so write in the bracket it is a tensile in nature, and here FEF negative, no? Negative. So you write it down in the bracket compressive. Okay. Now one joint we have completed. Similarly, we will take another joint. I will write here FDF. DF, it is a compressive, sorry, tensile, and nature of the force will be in this way. It is 424. And FEF is a compressive towards the joint, and that is a 299. I have not considered a negative sign. Remember this. I have not considered here negative sign because I have assumed previously it was a tensile, but now it is compressive. And what is a compressive? Compressive is nothing but towards the joint. It is moving towards the joint. It is moving towards the joint. Tensile means away from the joint. Tensile means away from the joint. Clear? Now we'll take E joint now. Okay. Now I know this is a compressive in nature, and that value is of 299. This RE, I know that it is 500. I don't know the force in this member, that is FD, and I don't know the force in this member, that is FCE. So what will be this angle with horizontal? You can check it. If this member is making angle 26 degree with a horizontal, then definitely this angle is also 26 degree. This 26 and this 26 is the remain same. Am I right? So I will write here it is a 26. So resolve this force into two components. FC cos 26 minus, sorry, this is a minus, and this is FC sin 26. Clear? Now find out the value of FC and FD now. Find out the value of FC and FD. What is the value of EF? Find out this value. Roll number 6, Amruta Doipude. Amruta Doypude, roll number 6. Roll number 6, Amruta Doypude. Roll number 7, Pranali.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of EFCE?
Minus 332.
3,
332. Minus
3, okay, minus
FC.
3, 3. Okay, FC minus 332. Okay, so just I will write here summation of f of x is equal to 0 minus FC cos 26 minus 299, okay, is equal to 0. So you are going to get directly value of FC, that is
335.
335, and it is minus, so that in the bracket write down compressive.
332 येते सर.
32 येते सर.
332 येते.
32 sir.
Okay, okay, 332. Okay, 332 and 335, there is no big difference is there. So let it be, we will consider 332. Now do a summation of f of y is equal to 0. FD plus minus, I have required to write minus 322 sin it's 26. It is plus, it is positive, but value of FC is a negative. So I have required to take negative value as it is here. And plus 500 is equal to 0. Okay. So whatever the value came here, that value as it is we are required to take here. When we are going to change the joint, then we are going to take this value as a positive. Because I know that it is now compressive, but we have not changed here. Sign I have not changed. When I am going to change the sign, when I am going to take the next joint. हा जो arrow आहे, हा arrow अजून सुद्धा तोच आहे. हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करत असताना हा arrow तसाच राहणार आहे. त्यामुळे आपण हे प्लस साइन जे आहे निगेटिव्ह साइन, ते निगेटिव्ह साइन त्या जॉइंट मध्ये आहे तसं घ्यायचं आहे. आणि नेक्स्ट जॉइंट मध्ये ज्यावेळेस आपण जाईल त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल की मायनसच्या ठिकाणी प्लस आपण इथं साइन दाखवणार आहे की इट इज कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह. अँड व्हॉट इज द कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह इन द नेचर, तर ते आपल्याला माहित आहे की कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह मीन्स टुवर्ड द जॉइंट. आपण फक्त पुढल्या जॉइंटला जाताना डायरेक्शन चेंज करतोय, ह्यामध्ये सॉल्व्ह करत असताना जॉइंट चेंज करत नाही, डिरेक्शन चेंज करत नाही. Remember this. So many times students get confused here. They are taking this value as a positive here and they are solving the numerical, and you are going to get the wrong answer. So it should not be. Again, I am repeating this. Whenever you are going to get any negative sign in that joint, you can keep as it is the negative sign. But when you are going to change the joint, at that time you are required to change the sign. Okay. So what is the value of EFDE?
14 minus 354.
Minus
52. Minus 352.
Minus 352. आवाज क्लियर येत नाही.
मायनस 354 सर.
Okay, 354. Okay, I have written 352. No problem. So it is a 354, and in the bracket write down compressive. Now I will change the direction. Now see here, FD I have assumed it is a tensile, but it is not tensile in nature. It is a compressive in nature. So arrow you can see here. Compressive means towards the joint. Compressive means towards the joint. Compressive means towards the joint. Previously we have assumed it is a tensile. See here, when I have considered the joint E, it was a tensile, but now I have realized that it is not a tensile, it is a compressive. So I have changed the arrow. Here also you can check it. Previously you can see here, I have considered this is a tensile, but I now realize that they are compressive. So I have changed the arrow. Means henceforth, whatever the values are there, FD 354. So I am going to take positive. and 332. So I'm going to take positive. I will not consider the negative sign in the next joint. Remember this. Now take next joint, joint D. Draw the FBD of joint D. Now I know that this force is a compressive and this is value is a 354. I know this force is a tensile 424. I don't know this value. This is F CD. I don't know this force of member, that is FBD. Now angle, I know that if this is a 45, this is also 45. So this is a 45 degree. So I will resolve this into two components. 424 cos 45 and this will be minus 424 sin 45. Again I will resolve this. Already we found out this angle. हमने ये angle find out किया है, that is a 25 degree. So FCD minus FCD cos 25 and this is FCD minus FCD sin 25. Okay, so everything is in front of you now. You are required to complete this problem. Do summation of f of x is equal to 0, do summation of f of y is equal to 0 and find out the answer. So what is the value of FCD or FBD? FCD ची व्हॅल्यू कोण सांगेल?
128.
Okay,
128.
FCD 128. So I am not going to solve this now. I am going to write directly FCD 1 25 ना?
8. 128.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, so it is tensile in nature. And FBD?
183.
183.
184.
Okay, 183, 184. Tensile or compressive?
Positive.
Positive. So it is a tensile. So whatever the assumptions we have made previously, they are correct. Now, so tensile in nature, FBD is a tensile in nature, means away from the joint, away from the joint. FCD is away from the joint, away from the joint. So FCD is how much? 128 and FBD is 183. Okay, so in this way we have completed joint D also. Now we will consider joint B. We'll consider a joint B and we'll draw the FBD. Please cross check these answers. Joint B is very straightforward. There is no any ambiguity in the joint B here. This is 100. Here, this is 183. I don't know the AB, so it is a tensile. And I also don't know the value of FBC. So very straightforward. I don't require to do a summation of f of x and f of y also. You can check it. 183 and FAB. So I know that FAB is 183. You can calculate also. Do summation of f of x is equal to 0 minus FAB plus 183 is equal to 0. So FAB is equal to 183 and do summation of f of y is equal to 0. So FBC, you are going to come minus 100. You can check it. I don't even require to do the calculation. So this is tensile in nature, this is a compressive in nature. You can check it. You can cross check this answer. So I knew here that FAB is a tensile in nature. So I will show arrow in this way, tensile in nature, and this is a 183. And this is compressive in nature, and this value is 100. Okay. Now last member which we have not yet completed, that is AC member. Member AC we have not yet completed. So draw the FBD of AC. I will draw here. I know this is a tensile, this is a 183. I knew this is 100. Just you are required to find out this value of FAC. This angle you know that it is a 26. Just do the resolution and find out the value of FAC. Find out the value of FAC. Okay, completed. FAC value. What is the value of FAC? Who is going to tell? Chinmay Kurnawa, roll number 54.
minus 203.
Minus 203. Okay. So this value is going to come. FAC is minus 203 means negative, and it is compressive. So 203 compressive nature. So at the end, you are required to draw this diagram, which I have shown here. With arrow, you are required to show this diagram. With arrow, you are required to show this diagram. So those have completed all the figures, complete these arrows also. एग्जाम्पल कंप्लीट होने के बाद जो लास्ट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है वो आपकी जो प्रीवियस डायग्राम जो है वही प्रीवियस डायग्राम में एरोज खाली आपको दिखाना है. सो दिस डायग्राम इज सफिशिएंट टू एक्सप्लेन दैट कि ऑन विच मेंबर टेंसाइल फोर्स इज देयर और कॉम्प्रेसिव. कौन सा भी मेंबर आप ले लीजिए उसमें टेंसाइल फोर्स है या कॉम्प्रेसिव फोर्स है वो इस डायग्राम की तरफ देख के पता चलता है. क्लियर? Shakib?
Yes, sir.
Have you any question related to this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take a next question. That question will be for homework also. So page number 108, question number 3.1.11. Question number 3.1.11. Okay, 3.1.11. So try to solve this problem. So just for initial purpose, I will give just a hint to you. This is a cantilever type of a truss, and one end of this cantilever truss is completely, or we can say it is a fixed. Okay, so please remember these values and draw this diagram. I'm going to erase this now. Okay. Now I know this end is a fixed one. So for a fixed joint, there are three reactions are there. I knew it because in beam chapter we have learned this thing. One is a horizontal, one is vertical, and another one is a movement. A similar thing is going to happen here also. One is horizontal, one is vertical, and this is a movement. So this is RHA, RVA, then this is RHE and RVA. Okay, and this is a movement MA, and this movement is a ME. Now you can check it. Already in last example I have mentioned to you one thing. Whenever there is a cantilever type of trusses are there, don't find out the reaction. Directly start from joint C. In this case, directly start from the joint C. So this is a B point, this is a C point. Loads are 100 kilonewton. This is 100 kilonewton. This is 100 kilonewton. This distance is a 2 meter. This distance is a 2 meter. Okay, and this point is a D. So here we don't require to find out the reaction. Here we don't require to find out the reaction. So first we have required to find out this angle. This angle we have required to find out, as well as this angle also I have required to find out, because this angle and this angle is a remain same. This angle and this angle is a remain same. So these two angles we have required to find out. Now who is going to tell what will be this angle? This angle. So total distance I knew it. This is how much? 3 meter, 3 by 4. See here, if I will consider this complete triangle, so tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. How much it is? Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4.
36.
36. So this angle is a 36 degree. So I will consider this is a 36. It is correct. Now I have required to find out this angle, but I don't know the value of this. So to find out this value, again we have required to use the same formula. Tan 36 is equal to BD divided by 2. So you find out the value of BD here. 2 tan 36. 2 tan 36. How much?
One point four.
1.4. So this value is 1.4. Now we have required to find out this angle. So again same formula. Tan theta is equal to 1.4 divided by 2. So theta is how much you can find out now.
$34.
34.
Okay. Okay. So 34. So this angle 34. Now angles we have found out. Now consider joint C and draw the FBD. Very simple. I don't know the force of this FBC. Applied force it is 100, and inclined force also I don't know, that is FCD. But I know this angle. This angle is a 36. Okay. So in this way, remaining things we are required to complete related to this problem. Just one FBD I have drawn. After completion of joint C, you can take a joint B. After that, you can take a joint D. Here, we don't require to find out the reaction. Remember, this is the simplest thing. Only 3 joints we are required to consider, and we are required to complete this numerical. Here, we are required to consider only 3 joints FBD, and we are required to complete the numerical. Any question related to this? Because we are at the end of this lecture. किसी को कोई questions हो गए तो मेरे को पूछ लो अभी ही, क्योंकि after this numerical I am not
Hello,
going
sir.
to take. हाँ बोला की वैष्णवी.
सर ते एफ ऑफ आधीच्या गणितात एफ ऑफ ए सी काढलंय ना आपण,
हाँ
ते ए पॉइंट घेऊन काढलं तर चालतंय का?
चालतंय, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
एफ
तुम्ही FBD चा कुठलाही पॉईंट घेऊन कुठल्याही व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे त्या करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हॅल्यू काढू शकता. मग C च्या ठिकाणी जर तुम्ही A ची FBD मागाशी काढली असती ना तरी चाललं असतं. तसा काही इश्यू येत नाही.
सर वेगळं येत नाही ना आता आपण
नाही नाही,
ए पॉइंट घेऊन काढलं आणि बी पॉइंट घेऊन काढलं तर
यायलाच नाही पाहिजे, कारण फोर्स तर तेवढाच आहे ना. फोर्स तेवढा असल्यामुळे व्हॅल्यू चेंजेस व्हायचा जास्त संबंध नाही. एखादी व्हॅल्यू कुठे तर चेंजेस होऊ शकते जर का तुम्ही हे केलं तर तुम्ही म्हणजे डायरेक्शन थोडेफार चेंज झाले तर थोडेफार व्हॅल्यू चेंज होईल, पण एवढं डेव्हिएशन येणार नाही त्यामध्ये.
ओके सर.
हा होमवर्कला प्रॉब्लेम आहे. दिस प्रॉब्लेम इज फॉर होमवर्क. कंप्लीट दिस प्रॉब्लेम. टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू start method of section. One numerical I will take, because on a method of section they are not going to ask the questions. It may not be possible that, or it means I can't predict in that way. So we'll take 1 or 2 numericals on a method of section and we'll complete the section 1, because we are having a target 20th April. We have required to complete the syllabus and only we are having a 20 days. इस 20 दिन में मेरे को सिलेबस ही कंप्लीट करना है. उसमें से अभी आज के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो मैंने फर्स्ट सेक्शन कंप्लीट किया है. खाली मेथड ऑफ सेक्शन का थोड़ा बिट रह गया है, एक लेक्चर का रह गया है. So if I will get another 1 lecture today, definitely I am going to complete in that lecture also. So method of section I will take 1 numerical, 1, 2 numericals I am going to take, and after that we are going to start section 2. And once we have started section 2, within 20 days, we are required to complete the section 2. Okay. Anyone is having any question related to this? Okay. If not, we'll end for today's lecture, first lecture. It may be possible we will get another one lecture in the afternoon session. So at that time, we will start method of section. Thank you. Thank you very much.